Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Bluesky app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on settings here. That you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You go down, just keep going down. You click here on trade preferences. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You come here to prioritize your follows, click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us, that's mean priorities your follows enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish now you are great. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.